let's talk about chapter 21, which is understanding sexual harassment. Lesson objectives. At the end of this chapter, students are expected to understand the different theoretical perspective of sexual harassment and Philippine laws on sexual harassment. So, to fully understand what is sexual harassment and sexual harassment in the civil service, and understand the illustrations about sexual harassment. So, introductions. Sexual harassment is a form of discrimination that includes gender harassment and unwanted sexual attention. This type of harassment is also a form of violence that mainly targets women. So it is not a problem of working conditions and safety, but it can also lead to sexual assault. This includes sexual favors or requests which are not restricted by the objectives of said harassment. What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is an act or series of acts involvement any unwelcome sexual advances, requests, or demand for sexual behavior or favor, or other verbal or physical behaviors of sexual nature committed by government employee or official in work-related training or educational-related environment. So, kaning sexual harassment, pwede jud siya mahitabo bisan bisan asa siya nga panghitabo sa atong kinabuhi. So, let's proceed. Theoretical perspective of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment cannot be understood from the perspective of single theory, but it is also always a combination of different predictors. Previous researcher has looked sexual harassment using a number of frameworks, including organizational approach, premise theory, rule theory, and contributes models of sexual harassment. So, ang kaning theoretical perspective of sexual harassment, kay dili nimo siya matawag og kanang ang theoretical daw kay dili siya masabtan kung usa ra ka theory or perspective. So, meaning, tan-awon nimo siya combinations of different predictor. So, kung daghan pang mga perspective or theory nga makaprove ang sexual harassment nga na-feel di ito sa usa ka victim. So, let's proceed. So, there are 5 theories of sexual harassment. The first one is natural biological theory.